Trembling after nursing in nursing women. Eyes water on reading. Blue rings around eyes. Hurried eating without appetite. Very sensitive skin. Slightest friction causes soreness and chapping. Itching on the scalp as from lice. Momentary loss of sight. Medicine OLEANDER. होम्योपैथी अपनाएं, बीमारियों से छुटकारा पाएं. The purpose of knowledge shared here is only educational and to increase awareness. Please always consult your doctor before taking any medicine. Self-treatment may always be injurious. मित्रों नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर हार्दिक स्वागत है. इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हुए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल के ऊपर ज़रूर क्लिक करें ताकि आपको आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. फ्रेंड्स, टुडे वी शैल नो व्हेन टू यूज मेडिसिन ओलिएंडर इन ब्रेन अफेक्शंस, eczema, nursing women affections, paralysis, strabismus and vertigo. Dose is suggested at the end. दवा की मात्रा और पोटेंसी अंत में बताई गई है. मेडिसिन ओलिएंडर. Oleander is useful in diseases of skin, heart and nervous system. Cures paralytic conditions with cramp-like contractions of upper extremities. Hemiplegia. Hemiplegia is paralysis that affects only one side of your body. Difficult articulation, aggravation from undressing, rest, friction of clothes. Diuresis, palpitation, edema and dyspnea of valvular diseases disappear. The pulse becomes slower, more regular, more powerful. Memory weak, slow perception. इंद्रियों द्वारा ग्रहण या बोध. मेलंकाली, विषाद भावना या उदासी. विद ऑब्स्टिनेट कॉन्स्टिपेशन, कब्ज की प्रकृत. वर्टाइगो, चक्कर आना एंड डिप्लोपिया, डबल विजन व्हेन लुकिंग डाउन. वर्टाइगो व्हेन लुकिंग फिक्सली एट एन ऑब्जेक्ट एंड ऑन राइजिंग इन बेड. पेन इन ब्रेन एज इफ हेड वुड बर्स्ट. Headaches are mostly oppressive and stupefying. Pressure as if 100 weight were pressing brain forward and as if everything would come out at forehead. They are ameliorated by looking cross-eyed or by looking sideways. Cloudiness of vision aggravated by looking sideways. Strabismus. The left side is most affected. Violent contraction of muscles worse left side. Numb feeling in head. Dull, unable to think, indolence, आलस्य. Eruption on scalp, humid, fetid spots behind ears. Graphitis, petroleum. And occiput with red rough herpetic spots in front. Desquamation of the epidermis of the scalp. Violent gnawing, itching on the scalp as from lice after scratching. A smarting as if scratched raw. Corrosive itching on forehead and edge of hair, worse from heat. Red and rough tittery spots in forepart of the ear with fetid running, ulcers, behind and around ears. Can see objects only when looking at them sideways. Eyes water on reading. Double vision sensation as if eyes were drawn back into the head. Momentary loss of sight. Pale, sunken with blue rings around eyes. Phosphoric acid. Canine hunger with hurried eating without appetite. Thirst, empty belching, vomiting of food, greenish water, throbbing in pit. Barborygmus with profuse fetid flatus, gnawing around the navel, ineffectual urging, undigested feces, stool passes when emitting flatus, burning pain in anus, involuntary evacuation of feces and urine. The digestion is paralyzed and the food passes completely undigested. Infants soil their diapers every time they pass flatus. Gone feeling, sepia, with a sense of distension in the abdomen. Chest feels empty and cold. Oppression in chest as from a weight. Asthmatic when lying down. Palpitation with weakness and empty feeling in chest. Dyspnea, obtuse stitches in chest. Trembling after nursing in nursing women. Weakness of lower limbs. Paralysis of legs and feet. Want of animal heat in limbs. Cold feet. Painless paralysis. Constant cold feet. Swelling, burning, stiffness of fingers, veins and hands swollen, edema, stiffness of joints, skin itching, scurfy pimples, herpes, sensitive and numb, nocturnal burning, very sensitive skin, slightest friction causes soreness and chapping, violent itching eruption, bleeding, oozing, want of perspiration, pruritus especially of scalp which is sensitive. The symptoms are aggravated after first amelioration by scratching, by rubbing. Aggravation in open air by draught of air. Getting out of bed ameliorates toothache. There is thirst for cold water. Motion ameliorates stiffness of thighs. Mastication aggravates toothache and headache. Looking down aggravates vertigo. Looking sideways aggravates dim vision, ameliorates headache. Squinting ameliorates headache. Rising up aggravates headache, vertigo. Stooping causes pain or hurt. Dose medicine oleander 6, 12 and 30 potency 1 to 5 drops in 10 ml water on empty stomach or as advised by your doctor. Wishing you a happy and healthy life. Thank you.